many shoes that I do not wear at all, and it has been piled up in my wardrobe from I don't know when. I do not feel like even throwing them. So what should I do with these?
Hi guys, welcome to our channel That Was Not Us, and today's video is a DIY in which I will show you how you can restyle your old shoes.
So the materials required for this are your old wedges or heels, some fabric glue and Fevicol, a pair of scissors, some velvet fabric or probably a velvet lace, and some embroidery patches which could be of any design of your choice. So let's get started. So we start by applying the Fevicol over the wedges in an even manner. We would avoid applying too much quantity of Fevicol as this would leave marks on the velvet that we would stick later. So we need to apply just the right amount over this. Once this is done, we would cut the velvet fabric according to the length of the wedges and stick the velvet fabric over the wedges in this manner. So while sticking, we make sure that there are no air bubbles left. After 1 hour, when the glue is dried, cut out the extras. Make sure you do this very neatly. Also, you could take any fabric other than velvet of your choice. So it's not a hard and fast rule that you have to take velvet. Now take these embroidery patches and stick along the wedges using this fabric glue in a neat manner. Again, avoid applying too much quantity of this fabric glue. So you apply the embroidery patches along the wedges like this, and voila, your fancy wedges are ready. The materials required for this are your old Converse shoes, some Fevicol, and some glitter. So there are various kinds of glitters available in the market. The one I have taken is the 3D glitter, so the particles are really thick in this. So let's get started. So we start by removing the laces of the shoe, after which we apply the Fevicol in an even layer all over the shoes. We can do this either by using a paintbrush or by our own fingers. We really need to avoid having thick lumps of Fevicol over the shoes because it looks really ugly. And also we do not have to apply the Fevicol over the rubber part of the shoes. So once we're done with applying the Fevicol all over, we can sprinkle the sparkle over the shoes again in an even manner. We can also have a sheet of paper below our shoes while we are sprinkling the sparkle so that we can collect the sparkles left over and sprinkle it again. So once the sparkles sprinkled is half dried, we apply another layer of Fevicol in an even manner and we sprinkle the sparkle over the shoes again. So this will help the glitter stay longer and better. After the glitter dries, you can put your laces back and voila, your glitter shoes are ready. So here we show you the finished fancy products. I'm in love with both of them. I'm really happy how they've turned out to be. Doing this is so simple that most of you can literally do this in your spare time and jazz up any of your old shoes. They really add that pop of color that you need when you pair it up with any simple dress. So if you liked our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.